Without savings, many people report experiencing a large amount of stress. Saving money isn't easy. However, it need not be challenging. Setting away a portion of your paycheck each month to put towards savings can be difficult, to say the least, whether you're attempting to save up for a home or establish a rainy day fund. In this video, I will share with you fast and easy ways to save money. And if you're new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button below for more life hack content. Change your mindset. The truth is, when it comes to saving money, your perspective is more crucial. When it comes to conserving money, you need to alter your perspective. You'll develop a positive mindset and attitude that will inspire action when you put the good things in front of you and concentrate on them. A habit or routine of saving money can't take root in your mind if you don't have an emotional relationship to it. The majority of individuals are either terrified of saving money or reluctant to save any at all. When it comes to saving money, it's important to have the proper state of mind. It will be challenging and frustrating to try to save money if you believe that doing so is difficult and frustrating. Additionally, if you think that striving to save money is pointless, you will eventually give up on all your efforts. As a result, adopt an optimistic mindset. Use the 30-day rule. Even if you make an effort to keep your spending under control, impulsive purchases can quickly drain your bank account. These days, we are continuously inundated with advertisements and cart-filling things, which increase our propensity to use credit cards carelessly. You can be shopping somewhere and buy something you might not need in a split second. You may reduce your impulsive spending and improve your savings by using the 30-day savings rule, which is an easy-to-implement method. We'll explain the benefits of the 30-day savings rule and show you how to apply it to your financial life in the next few minutes. Anyone may improve their money management skills by using the 30-day savings rule, which is a straightforward financial tip. You put off all unnecessary expenditures and impulsive purchases for 30 days using the 30-day savings rule. You're going to give it 30 days to think about it before wasting your money on something you might not need. If you still wish to make that purchase after this 30-day time has passed, feel free to do so. As you work toward your financial objectives, you'll have saved yourself some money if you completely forget about that purchase or realize it wasn't worth it. Plan your shopping. One of the keys to saving money is planning. You'll be less tempted to bring home more than you need if you have a destination in mind that meets the needs and preferences of your family. Instead of merely stuffing your basket with everything you can buy at once, this step of buying should be about choosing the greatest items for your family's budget and time limits. Without a spending plan, the majority of individuals find it challenging to save money. So, in order to prevent your budget from getting out of control, make sure you have a spending plan before you go shopping. Make a list of the items you require for your home and use it as a shopping guide. You don't want to roam around the store aimlessly looking for goods you don't need in order to make purchases that won't satisfy the necessities of your home. Reassess your spending. We can all learn how to create budgets. If we budget and plan for the money that enters our lives, we can not only save money, but also live a less stressful life with more time for the things we love. Every time you say no to unneeded expenditure is a chance to increase your savings. Spending as much money as you can on your hobbies could be tempting. However, if you find yourself reaching for your wallet frequently, it may be time to re-examine your expenditures. Start by looking at your overall budget and determine whether you are spending too much or too little overall in each category of expenses. Consider ways to cut back, eliminate, or find a different application for a specific expense if doing so prevents you from creating an effective budget. Consider thoroughly analyzing your monthly and quarterly spending to see if you can decide whether each and every expense is actually required to support your lifestyle. Social media detox. Our mental health, our relationships, and our finances can all be severely impacted by how much time we spend on social media. However, a social media detox can assist in resetting your priorities and enhancing your money in a variety of ways. It can aid in mental cleansing and the removal of several spending temptations. Nowadays, the majority of us shop online to some extent. According to data, 76% of customers have purchased items they spotted on a brand's social media post. And a large portion of those users didn't even use social media with the goal of making a purchase. However, they made an impulse purchase of something they liked. You become more susceptible to this impulsive spending the more time you spend on social media. When people share every aspect of their lives on social media, it's more difficult than ever to avoid the dread of missing out. And if you see that all of your Instagram followers or friends have a great new item, you can feel left out if you don't purchase it as well. Advertising has advanced significantly. Nowadays, if you mention a specific product even once while carrying your phone, you'll see digital adverts appear in your Instagram and Facebook feed. Additionally, advertisers will continue to display an ad to you if they discover that you frequently view it or click through to the sales page. Moreover, your likelihood of purchasing increases as you see it more. You can avoid feeling like you're missing something by limiting your exposure to other people's buying behaviors. Therefore, close your browser window the next time you feel like making an impulse buy or simply buying anything that you don't need, since you won't be buying that item. Increase your income. The truth is, your salary determines how much you can save. You will always have to pay for expenses like rent, food, and transportation, no matter how hard you attempt to decrease costs. However, if you're serious about increasing your savings, one method to do it is to look for new sources of income that pay more money each month. Understanding how to adjust your monthly spending is the key to saving money. Diversifying your sources of income is one of the first steps in this process. You can enhance your overall cash flow in a variety of ways. Consider jobs and other potential sources, such as those outside of your typical job, for instance. Although it sounds simple, if you want to spend less and save more, you need to start believing in it right now. Money is a concept that, while something we all want and frequently crave, has real power and significance in our lives. And there you have it. Those are the 7 fast and easy ways to save money. Thanks for watching. If you want to upgrade your life from what you have to what you deserve, click the subscribe button now.